Hey, guess who's back for another mountain climbing video? It's Bobby and Stella. Cue the applause. So this time we're doing Crib Goch, which is meant to be a mountain for more experienced climbers. I'd say we're pretty experienced at this point. In the last 6 or so months we've climbed 2 mountains and 1 hill. Hey Siri, how many climbs do you need to do to be an experienced climber? This one's a grade 1 scramble, so there is going to be some climbing, but the views are meant to be amazing. The sky is going to be super clear, the wind isn't too bad, so it should be alright. It's a beautiful late April day. Hopefully it's not going to be too busy either. So Stella, do you have any expectations for the climb today?
Well, not an expectation, but goal is not to die. Let's not slip off the rocks.
Yeah, people do die on this climb. There's been 3 in like the last 2 years. Now admittedly, I believe that they happened during the winter months or maybe times.
It was worse weather.
Yeah, it was worse weather. The gusts that we're looking at are around 35 miles an hour today. Can you hear the wind? Because I can feel it, and these gusts feel a lot stronger than 35 miles an hour.
Bruh.
We did hit up the rest of the hike gang to see whether they wanted to come for this one, and it was eerily quiet. So it's just Stella and I, but we're more prepared this time. We've got more snacks, we've got Scotch eggs, so the vibes are going to be good. I'm looking forward to this. This is going to be sick. This is going to be interesting. Still on the pig track at the moment. We're just surrounded by rabbit poo and absolutely beautiful sights. Man, I hope this wind relaxes. It does look so nice. Some of the ground here is deceptively boggy. You can't really tell with the high grass, but you step your foot into it and you just sink about a foot or 2. Yeah, like, look at this. Oh, that's not even that bad. Some of it you really sink down. Thought I got away with that. That went up to here.
I know.
Oh man. That is grim. God damn it.
That actually looks like the start.
That went above my boot. Ugh. Ugh. Oh man. It's like the whole way up here it's been boggy, but it's probably, that is definitely a foot. Right there, Jesus Christ. That is so grim.
And we haven't even started yet. We're actually starting about 300 metres up.
Yeah.
Because the top of Snowdon is 1,085 metres. So we're actually only summiting with 723 metres, but it's about 7 miles. We'll be good. Oh my god, you can see Crib Goch from here.
And we have begun. I'm not gonna lie, as soon as I stepped out of the car, this feels way windier than I thought it would, which is a bit concerning. However, we're here, we made it. This place is absolutely beautiful. Oh my god. Look at that. Genuinely, I stepped out of the car, the wind hit me immediately, and then I just heard a lonely sheep going in the background. We're definitely in North Wales here. This place is sick. How are you feeling about this, Stella?
Excited,
Yeah?
worried, but we'll be fine. We'll be fine.
Hopefully I don't have to do my Streetcar Named Desire impression. Stella! She just falls off the side. That'd be a disaster. Damn! My hat blew away right at the bottom of this trail, so I put it in my bag. You can just see Crib Goch looming over us in the distance. I think so cool.
Let's let this happen.
It's just some cheeky jagged rocks. Damn.
Oh my Jesus.
Steep ass steps. You're good?
Yeah. Have you just come from the car park?
Yeah, the car park's that way.
Good job, I saw you.
Yeah,
Yeah,
no
it's down
worries.
that way, dude.
Cheers.
I mean, I guess you would have got a lovely view from up there, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah. You should get to look at it when you're coming back down. Or are you going all the way to the top?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're
it's
going to
pretty-
try.
It's pretty windy.
You think Crib Goch will be good
I
or
wouldn't try it.
really?
I've never done it, but I wouldn't. Well, unless the wind's died down, which I doubt it, because it was knocking, you had to hold on at the top.
Oh, really?
I mean, I wouldn't do that in a quiet day. I just met another lad said he was going to do it. But I
Wow.
wouldn't,
We'll see if he lives.
He'll live.
because the wind is proper.
Yeah, we felt it down in the valley, which is why
When
we
you
were
just
worried.
get just before the summit, it's a bit exposed and it knocks you sideways.
Yeah.
Man and woman held on to the little kid. Yeah, we took off.
Dear.
Yeah.
Well,
It might have died down, but
yeah. Thanks for the advice anyway.
I've never done that. I don't see the point in doing the dangerous bit.
Yeah. There is someone up there.
Fit for YouTube.
Is it worth it for YouTube, Stella?
Well, I don't know. I don't think it is.
No, it's not.
There's a random guy there. To be fair, it doesn't look like he's falling off yet. Because this is the make or break point, Rob. This is what I was saying. Either
Well, I know what I vote for.
we go up this way
Look at the view
and
from
see
here.
Crib Goch,
Yeah.
or we go that way and live.
So green and pleasant land, death
Let's let
hellscape.
this happen.
I think we should sit on that rock behind you, just up there.
Yeah.
Consume some snacks. Put on some more sun cream.
Yeah.
And then not listen to the advice of that wise old man.
Yeah, that's definitely done this several hundred times in his life.
Yeah, he said he didn't do Crib Goch though.
Yeah, but he's done Snowdon enough, do you know what I mean?
There it is.
There it is. I mean, I don't know if we've been... The wind's blowing this way.
We'll be fine, Stella. We just need to recharge.
Yeah.
Will require a scramble.
Full mountain walking are essential, especially some that may be required.
Alright. We've got a spot just here. We're gonna chill for a bit. I think I've got one more Red Bull.
I've got... Oh, I left them in the car.
You've...
Because you put them in the back seat.
She
instead of-
bought 4 Red Bulls. She's left all of them in the car. Okay, that's fine. Well, I've got a Scotch egg. I guess we're gonna share this Red Bull then. God damn it, Stella.
At least we have enough for the journey back.
Look at this though. Look at this. This is why we come out to these places. It's absolutely stunning. Well, let's do this. Alright, this is where the fun begins. Starts off steep, and by the end of it, we're going to be on our hands and knees. Oh, Jesus. Climbing up, hoping that the wind doesn't take us away. Which I don't think it will. It'll be alright. Dude smoking a zoo down there. He said he's done it 10 times. Last time it was rainy and it was a bit more challenging, but apparently he's never done it before this windy. He is about 2 minutes below us, speaking to a seagull right now, so I think we'll be alright. How's it going, Stella?
Pretty good, actually. It's not too hard yet.
Yeah.
This is actually so much more fun.
Yeah, exactly. We're properly climbing mountains here. Yeah. So far so good. Vibes are still pretty chill. It's a clear day. I wouldn't even say it's that windy, or it doesn't feel that windy here. It's kind of more breezy. Strange, because down below the wind was really, really strong. So one would suspect that once you get to a point where there's absolutely nothing blocking you from the wind, it's going to be really strong, but the wind's coming from behind me at the moment. I think we've got the direction of it on our side when we're climbing this. Look at Stella go. Oh, this bit's nice.
To be fair, I think the valley's just a wind tunnel.
Yeah. Here it is, so much higher. Look at that, man. I'm so excited for this view at the top. This is going to be sick. It looks daunting from far below, and then you get closer to it. it just keeps going. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm just considering.
I wonder what this rock is.
Which one?
The white stuff.
Granite, I believe. Oh my god, this is so hot now. There's a sock here. Hell yeah.
The wind's not as bad up here as I feared it would be. Like right down at the bottom where you see those buildings there, it was very, very strong.
Apparently it's strong actually on Snowdonia.
Well, yeah, surely. I mean, you're so high up in the air at that point.
Yeah. You're the highest thing for very much miles around.
Yeah.
Sorry, mate.
Okay, how the hell do we get up this bit though? Say probably up there. That looks like a path.
It goes around this way. Have a look.
But you tell me, how does that look?
I'm a little bit lost again.
Yeah, I'm telling you, it's up this way. It's gotta be. It has to be.
And then round that way.
Yeah.
Yeah. I agree. I agree. Yeah, this part is well sketched.
That's alright. Yeah, I would have thought doing this raining would be a really, really bad idea.
That's not fun at all.
No, there's no reason to do that. Also, if it was like snowing,
Yeah.
sod that. No, it's on top, isn't it? Hold on, let me check this out. Ooh. Oh yeah, this is a hairy one. Where is she? Stella! It's up here! Yeah!
You see it?
Yeah, you just... Seriously, it's kind of... You just gotta hold on to the side. Yeah, that looks like something. made it.
So sick.
That guy down there is literally smoking a zoo. Stella, don't tell me now you're afraid of heights. Oh, for God's sake, what on earth? You went up the hard way there. That bit there. Yeah, that looks like a path to me.
I feel a bit safer. Okay.
Yeah, that wasn't too bad. No, don't apologise, we made it. You just needed to see me again to, yeah, realise the path was possible. It's a lot more dangerous coming down than up, so we're not coming down this way, that's for sure. That would be unacceptable! That would be absolutely ridiculous. But this is the grade 1 scramble that Google was talking about. That too looks like a grade 1 scramble. This is going to require both hands. Look at that. See that? There's some bits there where when you hold on to the rocks, they're cracking, which sort of makes me appreciate why there was that young kid that grabbed the wrong bit, lost his footing, and then didn't come back home. Or you could just climb up where you're holding on to that way, up there.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to do.
That looks pretty easy as well.
That's what I was trying to do. It's just getting like up. Some of these. Oh, actually, from this angle, it's a bit easier.
Yeah. Nice. Alright. Keep rolling, baby. Wop, 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 wop. Oh, jeez. In some dirt there, happy days. It's almost like a rock ladder, isn't it? Oh damn, she's got on some flat ground again. Holy crap.
That way. Say like that way.
Sorry, I was distracted by the bird. I would say that way personally. That way looks super steep. It's just down there somewhere. It's very steep.
Yeah.
Like, doable. Yeah, you're doing well, Stella. You're doing great. I know that in particular my dad is really not a massive fan of heights. He would 100% not do this. Oh no, I don't see any reason why I'd want to do this again either, but look at that. Look at that view.
Oh, I think I can see the actual rooftop now.
This is a mamma mia to wait. Oh Jesus, okay, hold on. Jesus, man. Oh, yeah. Alright. Hello! Oh yeah, this isn't looking too bad now, is it? Alright, so we didn't realise, but the stoner dude was following behind us. And once he reached our party, he was like, yeah, I think that was the wrong way, that was really steep. Bruh. But we made it. Now we're back onto the path. Apparently the hardest bit is done, allegedly. Doing alright. I'm certainly getting lower. We're gonna be fine. That bit was really steep. But again, we made it. We're getting closer and closer to the top. Yeah, look at this. Look at that. And that. And that. They're all cracks in the rock. Where literally the whole way up there's cracks in the rocks. So you gotta be really careful what you hold on to. Some of them are pretty loose. And it's very steep. But to the same extent, the jagged rocks almost create like a kind of ladder. I guess why this is called a scramble, because it isn't too difficult. We're not using any equipment but our hands. It's spooky for sure, but it's definitely doable. If you're afraid of heights, absolutely not. I mean, yeah, crumbly, hella crumbly there. Do not put your foot on that. Fall down that. You are not looking good. Well, we've nearly made it to the top. Obviously it's quite windy. Stella's behind me, I don't know if you can see her. But I just thought, have a look at this. Absolutely absolutely insane view. We have made it to the ridge. Do you want to take a look? That is wild. Man, I'm happy I made it to the summit. Look how beautiful that is. Now I'm going to trek across it. So, the advice is not to go on the right side, stick on the left. You look at the right side. Yeah, absolutely not. So we're sticking on the left side. But it should be chill because the wind is kind of blowing us against the mountain here, or against the ridge. Ooh. It should be chill. Is way bookier than climbing up. Climbing up is pretty straightforward. When you're stepping down, it's sort of like, what the hell? What the hell? Ah, mamma mia. Just like passing the Duchy, you must climb the ridge on the left-hand side. Is looking booky as hell. That is booky as hell. I'm not gonna lie, the left side isn't looking much better at the moment. how the hell did that dude do it whilst it was raining? That is insane. Just look at that drop.
No. I should have listened to the man.
Which one? Well, the old man.
Yeah. Not worth your life. This is definitely taking years off of my life at the very least.
Damn. Coming down that bit behind me was something.
Yeah.
And now we've got this in the way.
I think we can kind of just go around them.
Yeah, it looks like if we just stick to the left-hand side, we don't need to go to the top of that, surely.
Yeah. Well, the guy online said going through all of them took 10 minutes, going like up and down. But
It is going down, that's the bookiest bit.
yeah.
Ooh, look at that. That is where we came from.
Help me!
And that is where we're going. Whee! Maybe not. Maybe not that way.
Yeah, it's not that way, definitely, but yeah. Right.
Ah. You nearly got me, God.
Yeah.
What?
If we keep going.
What, keep going down?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
There's a path round.
Look at all these jagged rocks, Jesus Christ. This bit is honestly so rough. I think we're trying to go round this last one. This is sketchy as f***. But there seems to be... Who's praying? There doesn't seem to be any way.
The pass is down there.
It's down here!
So straight. Okay.
Stella's deciding that we go down because the final ridge is really, really tricky. But the only thing I'm worried about is that going down is a lot riskier than going up. It's more difficult anyway. And there's a lot of jagged rocks. Now, for obvious reasons, if and when this gets very booky, I might have to put the camera away and use both hands. But whilst I'm confident and my boots have grip, just do this slowly and it should be okay. How's it looking over there? It's looking good. Okay, cool. Alright. Because I'm not convinced at the moment. To be fair, if you kind of scoot down like a crab, it's not too bad. Because down. This is booky. This is hella booky. Oh my god, we made it. Oh no, is there more?
I just want to send it down there and rejoin the pig track. I think we can technically do that.
I just feel strongly that going down is more dangerous than going up. We are so nearly there. Ish. And they're never ever doing Crib Goch again. I mean, Jesus. Tell you what though, this bit is especially beautiful.
Yeah.
See that? That steep ridge. I whacked my knee a bit, slipping down on it when I lost control. Stella's all the way down at the bottom now, obviously relieved. I'm going to take the stones down because I feel like there's more grip. Man, I'm over this now. Well, that was Crib Goch. What a mountain, what a spectacular ridge. I doubt I'm going to do that again. It's one of those things where when you realise you've messed up, you can only go forward. You can't go backwards because it would just be more dangerous. And that is pretty precarious in places. The views on each side of that are absolutely stunning. At the very end of that, Stella and I decided we weren't going to climb Snowdon because Crib Goch, that took longer than expected. I think that took us about 7 hours in the end. Still though, we've succeeded in what we planned to do. And man, looking at it to my left as I walk back, Jesus, it's absolutely stunning. Honestly, I wouldn't really recommend that to anyone. I think you have to be pretty mental to do it, and if you're not like fully mobile, certainly don't bother. And don't just think that it's something that you can turn up to and, you know, only have like half a bottle of water and just think, oh, sod it, there's only 4 hours of sunlight left. Do not do that at all. That is no joke. Very enjoyable and rewarding to have completed it, but no joke. I'm not gonna lie, I can see why people lose their lives on that thing every now and then, especially if conditions are worse. I mean, people doing that in the winter time when it's a bit icy or rainy, absolutely not, absolutely not. Even now, I mean, the wind was gusty, it wasn't too bad. Conditions for today were actually pretty good, and it was still a real challenge, but it's one I've done. Stella completed it too, she led the way for most of it. Mad props to her. Now, after all of that, I'm glad it's done.